announced the release date, and we just as a team, we wanted to make it an impactful launch. Though we haven't started the filming yet, and the response that I'm getting, all the friends are messaging me, congratulations, Har Har Mahadev, and all of that. I'm getting these messages, so it feels nice because we thought that it's a big film and the launch should be grand. Kamalji and Z Studio, they put this project together, and they got great team of artists on board, and I was one of them. Vijayendra sir, Krish, and I were hired I think around the same time. And yeah, that's how me and Kamalji, we know each other for a while. Kamalji were in Eros Studio when I was doing Tanu Manu too. So yeah, he did not have to sort of think, should I take Kangna in the film or not. So he just called me one day and he's like, I got this script that Vijayendra Prasad has written, and I read the script. I was also offered another Rani Lakshmi Bai with another script that Ketan sir were doing that was in English. So I had to choose one, and I went ahead with their version.
Yeah, basically, this Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi, always been very, very close to her heart, and I always wanted to make big films, films which can really leave impact apart from being entertaining people, So the moment I thought of this film, I've always thought that we need to get some best writers and the best technical team behind the film, and the best actor to play this role, So spoke to Vijayendra Prasad sir, and he immediately, said, I mean, this is the film which I definitely want to do, It's very close to his heart. And then we got Krish, we got Prasun Joshi, we got Shankar Sonwal, and then many more names to come. We have Nita Lulla on fashion, on your costumes, and all other big names also there in the team is very big A-lister, And we spoke to Kangna immediately after that. The moment we had the little idea about that, how we want to go about it, and she was, it's basically in her blood. It's always running with her. I mean, she really wanted to do this as a lifetime, role for her, and she liked our script, and thanks to her that she said immediately yes to the whole thing, and it's like a dream come true for us that we have such a big team, and possibly the best actress to play this role, and. This place we always wanted to come because Varanasi is the place where Lakshmi Bai she born, and she was named here Manikarnika at this particular place. So we're starting a journey from here, and you can't have a better place than this, Ganga ke Kinare, and you basically taking the blessings to start the project. And it's a big project, it's a big film, and we want to live up to the expectations of the people.
I was a bit enchanted, because the Ganga Ghat pe प्रसून सर जो पोइट्री कर रहे थे, और उन्होंने जिस तरह से लिखा हुआ है हर शब्द को, एज इफ दैट स्पिरिट केम अलाइव है, जो झांसी की जो रेवोल्यूशनरी, जो झांसी की रानी जिस स्पिरिट के लिए जानी जाती है, एंड एवरी लाइन दैट ही रोट इज़ सो रेलिवेंट इवन इन टुडेज टाइम्स, तो वो एक अलग माहौल बन गया था, और सारी उम्र मुझे याद रहेगा, इतना खूबसूरत समा सा बन गया था. तो फॉर मी फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस विद द फिल्म लॉन्च. And before we start this journey, I think the team has come together. That passion has sort of been, has been sort of given to all of us, and it's been, it has transcended to the media as well, and we're all together in it now. Well, झांसी की रानी की कहानी तो हमारे सारे भारत वर्ष के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा रेलेवेंट कहानी है, और मैं जैसे हम लोगों के बचपन में ही सिलेबस में आ जाता है, और वो छोटे छोटे चैप्टर्स भी हम लोगों को कैसे पूरी उम्र कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं. आज भी हम लोगों को किसी को बोलना होता है कि तुम क्यों ये उसको एक थप्पड़ मार दो, झांसी की रानी बन जाओ, वाई आर टेकिंग ऑल द बुलशिट. हम हमेशा झांसी की रानी का एग्जाम्पल देते हैं, चाहे लड़के को बोलना हो या चाहे लड़की को बोलना है, सो शी इज़ द एपिटमी ऑफ दैट फाइटिंग स्पिरिट. तो उनको जो है फिल्म में सिनेमा के थ्रू जो है उनको डिपिक्ट करना उस स्पिरिट को. सो आई थिंक जैसे कि आप देखें सभी बहुत उत्सुक हैं इस फिल्म को देखने के लिए, तो हम लोग यही कोशिश करेंगे कि जितनी कि वो महान हैं उतनी ही अच्छी बेहतरीन फिल्म उनके लिए बनाई जाए.